I think Paradise is an exceptional company. I think they're professional. The men came in, they did their job, and they were also very professional. So I can't say any more than that. I'd more than glad to recommend you guys anytime. The new windows I think are great. I think we're saving money. My FPL bill is only $70 a month now. And I think it was a lot more than that before we had the windows in here, because I think they're a lot tighter. There's no leakage, you know. Very good. I didn't have any problem with communication at all. Anytime anything was a little blurry, I didn't quite understand it, I'd call and somebody would explain it. And this is the way I think a business should be run. I was in business myself for 50 years, so I know what it's like to deal with the public. More than be happy to recommend your company, because I think they did a great job. They've got a good product. I had the other windows, the shutters, you know, the old-fashioned shutters, in my other home before I moved here. And I don't even know how I happened to hear about you people, but I don't know, it came up somewhere along the line, and that's when I called. Somebody came right in, we sat down, we wiggled out a price, and that was the end of it. We did it.